Recently, 3D printing technology has made significant progress in a wide range of fields, such as dental care. The breakthrough technology has transformed the manner in which dental treatment is executed, allowing for the most precise, effective, customized method of oral health care. In this clip, we'll look at the importance that 3D printing in contemporary dentistry and how it's revolutionizing the practice. 1. 3D printing is a method of dentistry. 3D printing, often known as additive manufacturing, is a method of generating three-dimensional models from the digital files. In the field of dentistry, 3D printing technology is employed for the creation of dental equipment, implant, crowns, as well as other solutions custom designed for patients. The process is different from traditional methods for making dental items, which could be labor-intensive and slow-going. 3D printing allows more efficient production, reduced prices, and higher quality. 2. Three-dimensional printing has many advantages in dental. The precision of 3D printing lets dentists create extremely precise and personalized dental services to their patients. Through 3D scanning technology, dentists can take detailed photos of patients' teeth and gums. This allows precise measurements and an exact alignment. Efficiency. Traditional processes for manufacturing dental equipment may be slow and entail numerous trips to the dentist. Through the use of 3D printing technology, dental devices can be manufactured quickly, thus reducing duration and time for patients. Cost-effective. Though the initial expense of 3D printing might be costly, the overall cost savings are substantial. In reducing costs for labor in terms of materials, waste, as well as production times, 3D printing can be the most cost-effective method to dental practices. The patient's comfort is assured. With 3D printing technology, dental equipment are able to be adapted to the mouth of the patient in a perfect way to ensure the most comfortable and safe installation. This degree of customization can help to increase the satisfaction of patients and general treatment results. 3. Application of 3D printing to dental. Prosthodontics. 3D printer technology is widely utilized in prosthodontics to design bridges, crowns, and dentures, as well as different dental prosthetics. Custom-designed solutions give the appearance and feel, enhancing the appearance and overall functionality of the smile. Implantology. 3D printing has proved to be a major breakthrough within the realm of implants, which allows the development of customized dental implants as well as surgical guides. Utilizing 3D imaging technology, dentists can precisely determine and carry out implant placement, leading to more favorable results for patients. The orthodontics field. In orthodontics, 3D printing can be employed to make custom-designed clear aligners, retention devices, and various orthodontic equipment. These customized solutions assist to strengthen teeth as well as improve alignment of bite and improve general oral well-being. Endodontics. 3D printing technology can be utilized in the field of endodontics to make custom dental crowns, canal guides, as well as other instruments for the endodontics. They aid dentists in conduct root canals, as well as other procedures that require greater effectiveness and accuracy. 4. Future trends in 3D printing in dentistry. 3. As the technology for 3D printing advances, it is possible to be seeing further advances within the realm of dental. New developments in 3D printing might be based on bioprinting of dental tissues, including gums, as well as bones, to improve regeneration treatments. Additionally, 3D printing could be employed to produce higher quality dental material, including bioactive ceramics as well as nanovideos to improve treatments. Through ongoing study and advancement, 3D printing is poised to change the face of dentistry. It will provide the possibility of dental care that is personalized and highly effective. 3D printing technology plays major roles in contemporary dentistry. It is revolutionizing how dental treatment is executed. Thanks to its efficiency, precision, and efficiency, 3D printing offers a greater level of personalization and accuracy to the treatment of your mouth. With this revolutionary technology continuing to advance, it is likely that we will discover even greater developments in dentistry which will enhance treatment results and the satisfaction of patients.